Well, I'm at Minerva Hoyt. My car is way up there. It's supposed to be a trail that connects back with Hidden Valley. I couldn't see where there's a trail. I don't know. I don't see any markings or anything. Maybe I didn't look hard enough, but I just started walking out here. It's windy. Took my jacket off and just put the vest on. It's a little chilly with my arms, but the jacket got a little too warm once I was hiking around now the wind. But I'm exposed out here because we're not in the valley. We're out in the open here, as you can see as I pan around. And there's this big dead tree, probably the biggest tree around here. And it died. I don't know if it was a Joshua. It might have been. It could have been hundreds, thousands of years old. Who knows there? And like I said, there's the parking lot back there. I'm only going to walk a little bit further, and because there's really nothing to see. It's just walking here. So I'm just driving around here. All right.